Yeah, cooking career started when I was 18, working in a small hotel in the UK called the Golden Lion, and then from there went to north of England and started working for an exclusive hotel, and the head chef there was Paul Heathcote, and he bought his own restaurant, asked me to go along with him and open up a restaurant called Paul Heathcote's at Longridge. Within 12 months from then we got 1 Michelin star. That was about 1990. 1992 we got our second Michelin star, and then started expanding the restaurants. Ended up being a total of 19 in total throughout the UK, including outside catering venues. So we did catering for Manchester United, Liverpool Football Club, Manchester City, Preston North End, Warrington Wolves Rugby Club. Did the catering at Aintree Racecourse for the Grand National. 19 years I worked for that company, and then decided to move to Australia. A friend of mine had been working on mine sites, and he said how much he enjoyed it with the breaks and stuff. So, but he found that the 7 days you get no phone calls, nothing else. It's all down to yourself, and you get your free time to spend time with the family. Because previous to that, the kids were quite small still then. So I'd take the kids to school in the morning, and then I'd take them to school the following morning. Never saw them, so working lunch and dinner every day. I now got onto an 8-6 roster, which is super family friendly. So week on, week off basically, and thoroughly enjoy it. Biggest similarities, there's still that passion there. Even the chefs that come to site, they've still got passion to cook. The biggest difference is rather than cooking to order, you're doing bulk cooking. So instead of cooking for a table of 4, you're cooking for a table of 400. Yeah, first day was ordering day as well, which I kind of stuffed up just a bit. So I had to hire in 2 sea containers to fill those up as well, because I'd ordered 3 times too much. So there's a lot more people now coming forward with their dietary requirements, such as lactose intolerance, gluten-free, which makes it a little more difficult. So you've got to be more precise on your ordering. Trained chefs right now, they're in massive demand. There's probably a 10,000 chef shortage going right at this moment in time. We are struggling getting hold of chefs to cover positions, so we are trying to recruit apprentices and also cooks just to cover these positions. I've hit some marks where I've managed to travel around the world. I've been to some fantastic events, worked with some great chefs, been to some really high society dinners and cooked for some really, really nice people, so it's been good for me.